Low latency black technology. Designed for gamers YX07 headset. Smart chip blessing. 16 is ultra low latency. Listen to the sound and identify the position one step faster, and the whole process of turning on the black is synchronized. Ergonomic design, long-term wear, no pain. 13 mm large dynamic coil. 3-frequency equalization is like a scene. Nanoscale waterproof coating. Not afraid of sweat and rain. A must-have for the game party. You can hear every detail of the victory. X07 made for the ultimate experience.